Our Joyful Noise Baltimore brings the beauty and joy of live music to the underserved and often hidden corners of our Baltimore community. It's not about helping or fixing. It's simply about kinship and the power of music. We bring an ongoing concert series to a residence for cancer patients, a woman's prison, for families living with autism, a residential treatment program for veterans, where we also have an instrumental lesson program, as well as a new summer series in an historic South Baltimore neighborhood. It is moving to witness the impact these experiences have on both our audience members.
We love it and we definitely need it. It's a massage to our soul.
And our musicians, who are paid for their work.
Well, it was very inspiring and very humbling all at once.
But I'll find myself seized by this just like heart-wrenching sense of joy. It like makes me cry.
Little did we know that on March 12, 2020, we would be the very last visitors to the veterans' residence.
I have issued a state of emergency in Maryland.
We knew we had to find new and creative ways to stay connected with our venues and our city. Our live online hospital series brought joy and beauty to COVID patients and medical personnel.
The fact that I am able to play for you right now is very meaningful for me.
We can see people clapping, which is incredible.
Our Azure concerts for families living with autism are working well in a virtual format.
Keep going, dancers, we see you.
During the summer and fall, we brought live outdoor socially distanced concerts to two of our venues.
These are Grammy award-winning artists, so we're very fortunate to have them. It's no charge to us and our beautiful community.
Excited that the concert truck is coming tonight. We had no clue that such a thing existed.
It's the direction of freedom. It's the direction of liberation.
Kinship and the power of music, that's the mission for one local organization that's making sure the underserved and often forgotten Baltimore communities stay connected with live music.
And Amy Kawada introduces us to the musicians at our Joyful Noise and the audience that calls the moment life-changing.
Music. It means much more than just a simple tune or melody. God's gonna trouble the water. In the midst of a pandemic in which programming for the Baltimore station have been canceled, organizers say having our Joyful Noise provide the healing power of music for their residents has been a silver lining.
Our Joyful Noise has really just kind of become a staple of the Baltimore station. It's not only a special treat, but it becomes a part of their therapy.
Thank you so much.
During the winter months, we are continuing our offerings online and have lots of exciting plans for when we can be in person again. We need your support now more than ever. To help sustain these initiatives and more, please visit our website at ourjoyfulnoisebaltimore.org. Thank you so much. We can't keep the music going without you.